In a world teeming with aspirations, dynamic small businesses and imaginative hobbyists have big original ideas that require custom manufacturing solutions to turn their concepts into reality. Welcome to eMachineShop, where innovation meets precision and custom manufacturing is made easy. At eMachineShop, we're not just in the business of machining parts. We're in the business of manufacturing your parts. With over 5 million custom parts made, our state-of-the-art CNC manufacturing technology and team of skilled machinists ensure that every part is manufactured to your desired specifications and our high-quality standards. At eMachineShop, we believe in empowering small businesses and hobbyists to put their big ideas into motion, one part at a time. Your success story is our business. So why wait? Let eMachineShop help you reach your goals. Simply visit our website, upload your design, or use our free CAD software to make one from scratch and get a fast, reliable quote today. eMachineShop, where custom manufacturing is made easy and your designs become reality. Let's create together.